it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came in here with another reaction. Today we're here with Rymey Gad. Yeah, Mercedes Benz. Rymey Gad, Mercedes Benz. That one of the on the Fast and Furious rhythm. Big up yourself. Country, right? Big up yourself, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. We're gonna jump in the one still and hear what the G have to say. So let's go. Rymey Gad, soft man.
Country. People ask me drive like me have 9 life. Ask me go and come me and die vibe. And the Benz beam bright, feel live in a nightlife. A soft shot with the shades, them a rise. And the Benz if we buy, you know, online price. 64 color, we are ambient light. 64 gal for me phone every night. Yeah, must see man, can't see no gas light. Now the Benz if we
when Master play GTA. The old GTA I playing, the old type GTA I playing, if you notice. Alright. Me just say what I go on there now. Me just say what I go on there now. Me just say it.
Country hat
Country.
From the party, when him customize him character right there, so yeah. We see the GTA also. Every GTA though, let me see which one. GTA 5, yeah, I see Trevor. So GTA 5, but yeah, he might customize him character now. I go outside. Bad dog. Man, I walk like Nico. Come on, gonna cat. Drive out. Yeah, me just a see it. One thing level up or so. What the blood clot? Oh, me miss them something here. Yo, I want to me. See the map down here, so. I want go on. Alright, let's go.
People ask me drive like me have 9 life. Ask me go and come me and die vibe. And the Benz beam bright, feel live in a nightlife. A soft shot with the shades, them a rise. And the Benz if we buy, you know, online price. 64 color, we are ambient light. 64 gal for me phone every night. Yeah, must see man, can't see no gas light. Now even
wanted level 2, a stolen car now.
C43 with the Belgian bag. Fat JLE, when I sell pan mark over ATL. I will present for hours.
Bumbuckler is a custom thing you must have, you know. Fat JLE. When I sell pan the mart, sorry.
Fat JLE, when I sell pan mark over ATL. I will present for power steering wheel, touch control. Me and soul and even still a damn cruise.
Humbuckler, self-driven. Me hands full and the Benz still a control. And not touch a wheel.
Power steering wheel, touch control. Me and soul and even still a damn cruise. Build with lane assist, make it damn smooth. Rocky 2-side pedestrian confused. Have a girl a swallow dick. Fat C43 and a wish. Benz.
I say girl I'm going on GTA's. Yo, as a gamer, I know exactly what I'm going there. So I saw the girl them going in a GTA and them father your car and just hanging. Yo, how much money you have? 37. How much money you have? 376,000. Weird.
Confused. Have a girl a swallow.
Alright, the party of the video.
Make it damn smooth. Rocky 2-side pedestrian confused.
Down on the pier, him go. My driver go straight down on the pier. I know that game I do come on, bro. I swear.
Have a girl a swallow dick. Fat C43 and a wish. Benz drift, make your girl pussy drip. Staff man
I
them.
saw the bomber clot. Yo. The G forget the editor of the year. Me forgot. Let me see if I can find the name and big him up outright, dog. Let me see if I can find the G name and big him up outright, bro. Honestly, dog, cause I no joke, brother. Naka, King Naka. Me know say you do that editor. Big up your bumbuckler self, King Naka. Yes, bro. Everything we go on in the video, go on the GTA. Watch out.
Smooth, Rocky 2-side pedestrian.
Remember, you know, him have 376,000 in my account. Watch out.
Confused. Have a girl a swallow dick.
Alright, my fan on the stripper now.
Fat C43.
Well, no, the stripper fan him down.
No wish. Benz drift, make your girl pussy.
Once she come in, $250 gone out of your account. She take her money. What you mean? I work, she work.
Swallow dick.
Yo, this bad dog.
Foxy,
Knock a big
party,
up,
I no
dog.
wish. Benz drift, make your girl pussy drip. Staff man them well sick to the chip. Run in panny link and get your skin stripped.
Bombo cloth, somebody get a GTA punch, dog.
And I'm a kex, I'm in necklace. I know UFO, but me make it up lift. Your girl a back flick, does she take a one pick? And in C250, make your girl a make wish.
You right now, I'm more interested in the video than where I said, to be honest. I swear to God, because I'm so fascinated with GTA. I love GTA, dog. But yo,
a back flick, does she take a one pick? And in C250, make your girl a make wish. Party crown and jump in a Benz.
Thief on the
Call
car.
your girl for she call a couple friend. We chop food and
broken night.
fuck up the ends and me buy up the right for them to defend. 5150 a fraud when me dwell. Strictly man corrupt and that on me head. But I do the deposits so me not to Brazil.
Wanted
People
them
ask
for
me
2
job
stars,
like
yeah,
me
man.
have 9 lives. So me go and come here and I vibe and me Benz beam bright. Believe in a night life. As I've shot with the shades them a rise. And the Benz and me buy and I had 9 price. 64 got away and I'm like 64 got up on me phone every night. Now I see one, I'm a roof with the top full of glass. C43 with the Belgian bag. Fat jelly when no sell pan mat over ATL. I wear present for our steering wheel touch control. Me and soul and even still a damn close. Fibble with lane assist, make it damn smooth. Rocky two side pedestrian confused.
Look, I can pay for that, you know.
Swallow dick. Fat C43 I no wish. Benz drift.
I saw them drinking a GTA.
Make your girl pussy drip. Staff man them well sick to the chip. Run in panny link and get your skin stripped. And I'm a kex, I'm in a place. I know UFO, but me make it up lift. Your girl a back flick, does she take a one pick? And in C250, make your girl a make wish. My life, as I make one, come in and die. Only even be bright, if you live in a night life. 64 color, we are bright. And he bangs the people in a
Most music
bad, your blood clot, bad, dude. You're bad. You're bad. Yo, Naka, big up yourself, dog. Your editing skills is out of this world. Naka, you need to teach me how to do editing, bro. You probably use Premiere Pro, but me use Filmora. Filmora 9 or 11 or something like that. You need to teach me how to edit, bro. Yeah, teach me how to edit. Me, I beg you, dog. I beg you, you're bad, brother. You're bad, you're fuck. Yo, hear me, I say. Country, big up yourself. Country, big up yourself. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Rymey Gad. Blood clot, Mercedes. That song you bad. That song you bad. The video bad too. The video bad, you fuck. We like it. Yeah, we like it. Like it to fuck. We like it to fuck. But yeah, hear me I say still, dog. Gonna drop a like on the video, dog. Subscribe around there if you know. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.